Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to see a boring but good money making strategy, guys. This is so simple. If you are a beginner in that investing journey, then you can use this strategy. Using this strategy, you can make on average 20 to 30% return per annum. Okay, so this is not a some what not say like not a day trading strategy and all. It is like a position strategy. Okay, come on, we'll see the setup first. So the first thing is you have to plot the weekly chart, then use 14 period RSI and plot 20 period simple moving average. For trading purpose, you have to select only blue chip stocks. Okay, and one more thing is like this is an buy only strategy. Okay, the reason for that is as this strategy is used mostly for new investors or traders. I don't want to recommend derivatives for them. So all market, I mean only cash market is used for this strategy. So that is the reason we are gonna discuss only on the buy side of this strategy. Okay, so the strategy is simple. Buy when the 14 period RSI is above 60. Okay, that is one. And then exit when the price breaks below 20 period simple moving average. Okay, guys, remember, buy when 14 period RSI is above 60. That is one. That is a buy setup. And then exit when the price of the stock breaks below 20 period simple moving average. Okay, so this is so simple, and everyone can do this strategy. Okay, advantage of the strategy is first, you have to see the charts only on a weekly basis. Okay, not on a 5 minutes, 10 minutes, hourly or daily. Also it is a weekly basis. You have to check the price of the stock. Okay, that is one. Number two is less number of trades in a year. Okay, very less number of trades in a year. So you don't want to panic otherwise as well. And third is it's like low risk high reward strategy, guys. Okay, here I forgot to about the stop loss. Stop loss is as usual entry candles low is the stop loss. Okay, so okay, now to summarize it, buy when 14 period RSI is above 60, sell when the price breaks below 20 simple moving average, and stop loss is entry candles low. Okay, now you know the target, now you know the stop loss as well, and you know when to buy the stock. Okay, so these are the advantage of the strategy. uh, Come on now, and one more thing is, if you see my previous risk management video in my channel, then you can know that um, you don't want to deploy the entire corpus in one stock. So as per the risk management, you can have like 4 to 5 stocks depending on the capital you can deploy. So as we are using only blue chip stocks for our trading purpose, and we'll be deploying 4 to 5 stocks, you have a diversification benefit as well. So for example, like one stock can be an banking sector stock, one stock can be an IT sector stock, and one stock can be an infrastructure or a cement manufacturing, or you can say NBFC or pharma. So anything like that. Okay, so you will get a diversification benefit as well using this strategy. Okay, uh, and then the other is like you can consistently make 20 to 30 percentage return per annum, which is better than your FD, gold, PF, whatever. Okay, that is an other strategy, other advantage of this strategy. Okay. Okay, now we can see this strategy using examples. Okay, so now is a 14 period RSI. This breaks here. Okay, so this is the entry candle. Will be buying here. Okay, so this is the price somewhere we are buying the stock. Okay, this is the stop loss. Okay, so now you know when to buy the stock, and you can know the stop, you as you know the stop loss as well. Either you can keep the stop loss, the entry candle slow, or you can keep the moving average line as the stop loss. Okay, this is a 20 period simple moving average. Either you can keep entry candles low as the stop loss, or you can keep 20 period simple moving average line as the stop loss. Okay, and target is whenever the price breaches 20 period simple moving average, so here we'll be exiting the position. Okay, so on average if you calculate the return from this strategy is what close to 400 rupees. The entry price is close to 1600. Okay, so we'll get close to 25 percentage return using this strategy, and within a time period of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so within 7 months you get 25% return using this strategy. Okay, and okay, here RSI is above 60. This is the one. So this is the entry candle. This is the stop loss, or aggressive traders can use this as a stop loss. Exit is whenever the candle breaches here. Okay, this is the current trend in the market, so that's why it didn't breach anywhere. It will breach. So just watch for it. I just took this to explain this. Currently, also more stocks are under this kind of strategy. Okay, or under this radar. And here also you can see the stocks breaks, sorry, the RSI period breaks above 60. Entry candle or you can take this candle as the entry, so you can keep this as a stop loss, or simple 20 period simple moving as the stop loss. The exit you can see here. Okay, assume we bought it like where around 5700, and then the exit is around I can say 8800. Okay, so this also close to 40 percentage return in a period of how many 1 year. Okay, that's the power of this strategy, guys. And see here also and one more example where RSI is above 60, candle this is the entry candle, either low as a stop loss or the 20 period simple moving average line as the stop loss, and you can will be exiting here. So here also we are getting how much return is somewhere uh, close to 20 percentage return, 20 to 25 percentage return for the period of 6 to 7 months. Okay. So here is the entry RSI is above 60, entry candle low, or this, if this is like too high, then you can consider only the entry candles low. As you can see, in the most cases the entry candles low only was not broken. Okay, so you can keep the entry candles low as the stop loss and see the exit here. Okay, so in this strategy we have got close to how much 25 percentage return in the period of maybe 12 months. Okay, and one more strategy, sorry, one more example. Here you can take this as the entry candle. low is the stop loss. See the exit where you buy. See the numbers. We got close to 30% return in the period of how much? 6 months. And for your information, all the examples which I shown are from a different sectors. It was from the pharma, it was from the IT, it was from the finance. So at the end you will have a diversified portfolio, one thing, and the other thing is you have only the blue chips, so there is a low probability of stocks going busted, except it was a DHFL or a S-Bank. Okay, otherwise and even in those cases also, once it breaches the 20 period simple moving average, then you could have exit at the earliest stage rather than waiting for the stocks touching the like in the lowest levels. Okay, so there are more advantage using this strategy for you guys. Okay, and here you can see there's a multiple trades here. Okay, so here the stocks breaks RSI, you take a entry here, uh, entry candle was here, then you can exit here when the uh, simple moving average broke here. So here we got close to 25% return, and then again, as you can see, you can take a entry here and then you will get exited here. It is not a much higher return, but still it gives you more opportunity on a regular basis. Okay, and one more thing which I missed in telling the advantages, there was 5 advantage, and the sixth advantage is you don't want to check on a stock basis. You can use the chart ink or some scanners which will give you the list of stocks which are breaking the RSI. Okay, and once you enter the strategy, then you will be having only 4 to 5 stocks, so which you can track on a weekly basis. But to know which stocks are breaking that 14 period RSI above 60, you can use chart ink scanner, guys, so that you don't want to track or you don't want to check all the blue chip stocks initially. Using this scanner you will find only 4 to 5 stocks whenever the stocks breaches the level. Then once you take a position, you have to track only those stocks. Okay, and keep on running the scanner on a weekly basis, so whenever the stocks enter your our strategy, or whenever the stocks are eligible for trading, then we can use this for trading. So otherwise you don't want to look into other blue chip stocks, use the scanner. So you will at the end, what I can say is this is like less time consuming strategy for investors, and good or highly rewarded strategy with very low risk we will be taking in this strategy. Okay, hope you understand the entire concepts, and as I mentioned you, like on average all the stocks are giving 20 to 30% return, guys. If you're new investors or even the experienced investors, use this strategy, you will get like decent return beating the index and having a diversified portfolio. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.